Top 5 Crypto Investing Secrets for Beginners. Cryptocurrency has taken the world by storm, but with all the hype comes a lot of confusion. What if I told you there are 5 powerful secrets that even beginners can use to maximize their crypto investments and avoid costly mistakes? Stay tuned because secret number 5 is so powerful it could change the way you invest forever. Have you ever invested in crypto? Let us know your favorite coin in the comments below. 1. Start small, think big. The first rule of crypto investing. Start small. It's easy to get swept up in the excitement, but you should never invest more than you're willing to lose. Begin with small amounts in reputable coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Over time, as your confidence grows, you can scale your investments. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. 2. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. The crypto market is incredibly volatile, and diversification is your shield against risk. Instead of focusing on just one coin, spread your investments across multiple projects. Look for coins with solid use cases, strong teams, and active communities. This way, if one coin dips, your overall portfolio won't sink with it. 3. Use dollar cost averaging, DCA. Timing the market is nearly impossible, even for experts. That's why the dollar cost averaging strategy is a lifesaver. With DCA, you invest a fixed amount regularly, regardless of whether the market is up or down. Over time, this strategy smooths out the highs and lows, reducing your overall risk. It's perfect for beginners who want steady growth without the stress. Have you tried dollar cost averaging? Share your experience in the comments. 4. Secure your investments. Visual, a digital vault with a padlock labeled crypto security, and a hacker being blocked by a firewall. Crypto is digital gold, but it's also a target for hackers. To protect your investments, always use a hardware wallet or a secure software wallet for storage. Avoid leaving large amounts of crypto on exchanges, they're convenient but prone to hacking. And remember, enable two-factor authentication for every account you own. Your future self will thank you. 5. Research, don't gamble. Here's the ultimate secret: in the world of crypto, knowledge is power. Don't just buy coins based on hype or tips from friends. Dive deep into the technology and purpose behind each project. Read white papers, follow market trends, and stay updated on regulatory changes. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. And remember, FOMO, or the fear of missing out, is the quickest way to lose money in crypto. And there you have it, the 5 secrets to smart crypto investing. These tips can help you minimize risks and maximize gains, even if you're just starting out. Which of these strategies are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a future update. In our next video, we'll reveal the top 3 coins to watch in the upcoming bull run. You won't want to miss it.